Hey everybody, Dave Taylor and the gang here at Fredericton Mitsubishi. It is Thursday, the first day of our 3-day event, the Noir Friday Sale. And boys, have I got Noirs in stock. I got 15 of these top of the line, beautiful, beautiful Black Edition Noirs. And today, tomorrow and Saturday, we've got $2,000 off. Yes, that's right, take $2,000 off or take a $2,000 Regent Mall gift card, pay for Christmas. It's endless what you can do with $2,000. And we're also going to give you free winter tires. You're leaving today with installed winter tires. So come on in for this beautiful 3-day event, 327 St. Mary Street. What do we say, gang?
That's free winter tires.
$2,000 discount.
Or a $2,000 gift card for the Regent Mall to help with your Christmas shopping.
And don't forget, the shortest drive for the longest warranty, guys. Apples and grapes, baby.
See you soon, Fredericton Mitsubishi.